Hey folks, today we are unboxing the DJI Mavic Mini 2 after the hype. After a couple of years, finally we're able to get our hands, get my hands on it. If you get the basic edition, what you get inside the box is, of course, the drone itself, one piece battery, compared to the combo edition. You get three and other accessories, additional accessories as well. But for this one, you get one battery only, a couple of joystick props, and some wire connectors for Android or for Apple devices, so you can use your phone and you can connect your phone to the controller, so it's much easier for you to fly your drone. So that's it. This is very quick. Actually, I apologize for the dark unboxing, but just to show you what you get if you purchase the basic edition. Alright, today we're gonna test fly the drone and take some footage. It's sunny day, so probably the drone will be able to see clearly, actually, because it struggles in low light condition. So I hope this time around we can get some clear footage. Okay, let's go. So battery check, it's full. Controller check, it's full.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Take off.
While I'm filming this, actually, I'm hearing news about the DJI Mavic Mini 3 and some upgrades, hardware or maybe features upgrades in the future on the current one. But instead of waiting for that, I decided to get one and test it myself, see what I can do out of it, because the drone itself, it's already compact, um, for what it can do, what it can offer for its price. It's already, a must-have gadget if you're a vlogger. For the weight, especially, a lot of people or some of the countries have very, flight or weight limit before you can fly a drone. But in the Philippines, actually, not that, you know, not that strict when it comes to flying a drone. As long as you know what you're doing, that's fine. I'm no expert when it comes to um, law here in my country, but as far as I know, just be very careful, follow the instructions carefully, and you're good to go. And another downside I would like to mention is that though the camera works amazingly, it takes crystal clear 4K footage. However, the best angle to get clear and bright videos or photos is to always angle your camera in favor of light. Otherwise, your videos or pictures will be very dark, or you need to set it manually to set manually the brightness, the contrast, or the camera settings, so you control the camera manually instead of set it to automatic, so it's a lot easier for you to edit the videos or photos you take from the camera. So yeah, that's it. So that's the sample footage from the drone. It was 4K 30 FPS. And what I noticed after a couple of days using it is that when grain of sand gets into the motor or gimbal, it will not run correctly. So to fix it, just rotate the gimbal or motor slowly until it is removed. So just be careful if it happens. So yes, that's it for today, and see you next time. Thank you for watching, and peace.